Hi besties, welcome back to our space. On today's video we'll be making ora soup. Already inside the pot we have our peeled cocoyam, stockfish and goat meat that I'll be using for the soup. So at this point I'm adding water that will be enough to cook everything inside the pot. I will then cover and allow it to cook. Come back after 10 minutes to check on it to see if the cocoyam is good to go. And of course it is. I will then remove it and introduce it into a mortar so that I can pound it myself. So after removing the cocoyam, I will then introduce another water into the pot. This one will be enough to make the soup. At this point we are done. This is the cocoyam. I'll then introduce it inside the pot, and of course I will have to help out so that it can segregate easily. So that's why I had to do it like this. Yeah, I will then allow it to cook. So this is ogiri ope local bean. You need these ingredients. This is one of the secret ingredients of the soup. Without those ingredients, the soup is not complete. Yeah, it's the local Maggi. So at this point I'm introducing palm oil, and then this is fresh pepper. I blended it together with crayfish. I will then stir. This particular soup, I want it not too thick and not too watery. I just want it moderate. I will then allow it to cook. Then at this point I'm introducing the vegetable for today, which is ora. Some people call it oha, but we call it ora. So another protein, which is dried catfish, and then seasoning cube we go for it, salt. I'll then allow for just 2 minutes and it will be good to go. Let me seize this opportunity to thank everyone that always come back to watch our video. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you to our new and old subscribers on YouTube. Thank you. I do appreciate. If you are watching us to this moment and you are still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel or not, please do well and subscribe to your notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you. And if you're watching us from Facebook, thank you. You see, the soup is coming right to your doorstep, because at this point we're going to be dissecting it with this